In this video, I will show you how to fix the no sound issue on YouTube for Windows 11 users. To begin, direct your mouse cursor to the bottom right corner of your screen. Here, you'll find the volume button represented by a speaker icon. Click on it to reveal several options related to your audio settings. First and foremost, ensure that the audio is not muted. If you see a speaker icon with an X, it means your sound is muted. To unmute it, simply click on that icon. Next, check the volume level. If it's set too low, drag the slider next to the speaker icon to increase the audio volume. Now, play a video on YouTube and see if you can hear sound now. If adjusting the system volume didn't solve the problem, let's move on to another solution. Click on the Windows icon located in your taskbar. In the search bar, type sndvol.exe and hit enter. This action opens up the volume mixer. Here you'll see all applications currently running that produce sound. Look for your web browser or YouTube app in this list. Make sure that neither is muted nor set at a low audio level. If they are muted or too quiet, adjust their sliders accordingly until they reach an adequate level. If you've checked both system volume and volume mixer but still can't hear anything from YouTube, there's one last thing to try: check individual tab settings in your web browser. Right-click directly on the tab where YouTube is open. A context menu will appear with various options related to that tab. Look for an option labeled Unmute Site. If this option appears, it indicates that this particular site has been muted previously, hence there's no sound coming through. Clicking Unmute Site will resolve this issue instantly. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, checking system volume, accessing volume mixer, and ensuring individual tabs are unmuted, you can easily fix any sound issues while using YouTube on Windows 11. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.